job site. You can probably guess what it is. If you don't, you got one of two guesses. So we have been working on repiping some of these boxes. They're gonna fur out this wall like 7 inches, so we went ahead and put some offsets in, remounted the boxes out further with some double strut, some rods. And then over here, we have been going around the whole entire building, well, I guess the front half. But every time there's a door, there's an exit sign as well. So we've been having to also rewire the lights on the outside because there's an outside light above every exit. So we've been having to rewire the lights to extend the MC into the back of the 4-square box, add an offset right here. So we've just been going around the front half of the building, putting in the 7-inch offsets, or I guess 5 1/4 inch offset, so the front face of the box is at 7 inches. So we've been working on that. And then the other thing we've been working on and off is they're cutting in these docks over here. So they're cutting out giant squares. Well, you can't even see it. But anyways, at every garage door, they're adding a lift. So they're cutting out like a 10 by 10 concrete box. All right, so like I said, they're cutting out these 10 by 10 concrete squares at each bay, lift, garage door, whatever you want to call it. They're gonna add a hydraulic lift, so when the semi-truck's back up, they can put their pallet jack or whatever onto the hydraulic gate, and then it'll lift it up like 2 or 3 feet. I don't really see the point, but I guess the building is just too tall for the semi-trucks or whatever. So they're cutting out 10 by 10 concrete squares, and then they are doing that like hundreds of times at every single garage door. So yeah, everything's going good so far. So I did get permission to make a video or share a picture or anything like that until further notice. So we're good to go on videos, but it's just kind of awkward making a video when I'm working a little bit shorter. Everyone's working overtime right now, so I'm just working an 8-hour day. So it's kind of hard or weird to make a video when everyone else is still working around you. But I'm gonna try to get some videos in when I can. So I can't say it's gonna be daily videos, but I will show you guys once we get back to it. I think it's gonna be on Thursday or Friday when we start working on piping in. There's PVC pipe work that we have to do around the hydraulic gates, and we're adding plugs in between each gate. So there's a 120 power PVC pipe going in and out along all the bays, and then there is 480 power for the hydraulic gates, so that goes in and out. So there's a 480 pipe, a 120 pipe, and then sometimes there's a second 480 pipe for the 2 different circuits. So I will show you guys that when I can. They just poured most of the concrete, or over half of the concrete, for the first batch that we did. So I was gonna walk over there and show you guys, but they just covered it with the concrete because it's gonna be underground. But I think there's a few left, so maybe I can squeeze that in tomorrow when I get a chance, if they're still not covered in concrete. But otherwise, so far so good. Yeah, I think that's about it, and I'm gonna head home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give you guys another update when I can, hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see how many videos we can get out for you guys on the daily. Love you guys. Peace.